Here I have Suzuki, and let me show you how to use accessibility settings in Apple CarPlay. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the Suzuki home screen, then let's open the Apple CarPlay. Of course, it will be only enabled when you have your car connected with your phone by using USB cable. And then if you have opened the Apple CarPlay, let's open here the settings. From settings, all you need to do is scroll down and choose here accessibility. And under accessibility, you've got a few things. You can use color filters, so useful for people with color blindness to help them distinguish between map colors or icons. As you can see, you can enable the color filters right here, and you can use the grayscale, red-green filter, green-red filter, blue-yellow filter. You can change the intensity, it could be low, medium, or high, so it depends on your preferences. Let me for now disable the color filter. You've got here also bold text, makes all the text on the screen thicker and easier to read at a glance, as you can see right here. I think it looks pretty nice. I will leave it. You've got here also physical and motor. So here you've got the voice control. It allows you to control the interface using your voice. If you have a difficulty using a touchscreen, all you need to do is enable this, and you need to download the necessary files. So if you have the internet connection, you can tap download and it will automatically download all necessary things. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.